Every great symphony starts in the silence of the practice room. Before the world hears the song, God hears the preparation. I'm tuning my voice today, but more importantly, I'm tuning my heart. In coding, we call it setup. In faith, we call it a surrender. Lord, let every note I practice be your glory alone. Transitioning from the four walls of my room to the vastness of His creation. You can't contain a God-given vision in a small space. As I head to the field, I'm reminded that faith isn't just a feeling, it's a walk. It's taking the input